In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your out-of-office status in Freshdesk and automate ticket handling while you're away. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring that your absence won't disrupt your team's workflow. First, navigate to your Freshdesk dashboard. You'll see your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've done this, you'll see a drop-down menu, and one of the options available is Schedule Out of Office. Clicking on this will start you on your way to arranging the exact times you'll be unavailable. Now, this leads us to scheduling the time frame for your out-of-office status. You'll need to choose both the start and end dates for the period you'll be unavailable. This simply means selecting the specific dates when you know you won't be around to handle tickets. Once you've chosen these dates, click the Apply button. This action sets up everything neatly in the system, and you're now officially marked as unavailable for the chosen period. Perhaps your plans change, and you'll return sooner or need to extend your time away. Don't worry, making adjustments is simple. If at any point you wish to cancel or modify your scheduled absence, just click on the time frame you initially selected. You'll see the option to Clear Schedule. This action will remove your out-of-office status, immediately placing you back into the roster for handling tickets as usual. A key advantage of setting up your out-of-office status is that during this period, you won't receive new ticket assignments. Instead, any incoming tickets that would normally be addressed to you will be rerouted to other available agents. This proactive reassignment is crucial because it ensures that no customer queries fall through the cracks, maintaining the seamless flow of communication within your team. Rerouting tickets not only assists in timely responses, but also allows your colleagues to handle the urgency of any situations with the level of attention they require. This sharing of responsibilities ensures that customer satisfaction remains high and that everyone's workload is balanced even if a team member is away. And there you have it. With these simple yet effective steps, you now know how to manage your out-of-office status in Freshdesk. It's an excellent way to ensure continuity and maintain your team's productivity while taking the time you need. Remember, effective teamwork hinges on smooth transitions and clear communication, which you've just taken a step towards mastering. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any further questions on mastering Freshdesk. Safe travels or happy relaxing, whichever fits your plans best.